Yay! Finally, my package arrived. Oh. Since 6 o'clock this morning that I got the notification from FedEx that my package was in the truck out for delivery, that I'm waiting because the super text message notification woke me up. Good. XU4, 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 another XU4. Those are first generation with the white fans. Another one here. Oh, second gen XU4. Ooh. Those are supposed to be units that needs to be repaired, but it looks pretty new to me. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to test them all one by one just to be sure before sending them back to Odroid. Another XU4. There we go. Well, I guess I will not have to find something around to do. 15 volts power supply, barrel connector, and looking at the readings, it's the same that I had with my cloud shell box. And the piece of resistance. Oh man, I've been waiting so long for this. Little nice spreadsheet with all the stuff written on it. In RTC backup battery. And yeah. Well, it's heavier than I thought. Well, for sure, if you say that you ordered something from Odroid and it got damaged under shipping, I would have a hard time understanding that. You see how it was over packaged? I can hardly guess how shipping damage could be done. Yeah. The Odroid H2. I'm so freaking happy. I've been waiting for my review unit for months. USB 3, USB 2, 2 Ethernet jacks, HDMI display port. I guess that this would be microphone and speaker jack, optical audio, RAM slots, M.2, and I'm not sure what key it is. That's so freaking neat. Oh, and also an eMMC module here. Seems to be a Realtek audio controller here. Some chokes, VR hams, power on and reset buttons, 2 SATA port, hard disk drive power port, RTC battery connector, well, that is freaking cool. Now, let's see a thing. Will this works? Oh yeah. And here we go with a M.2 to PCIe 4X adapter. Seems like we're gonna test if external GPUs are possible with this board. Oh yeah. Just gonna have to find my RAM stick. I don't know where I put them. Ah well. But anyway, thanks for watching this unboxing video. It's been sponsored by my good friend Stefan over Odroid.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.